Yeah, so I've known Jesus since I was 27, so over 10 years now. Over the years he's just nurtured my heart and changed it from wanting to chase high profile titles and jobs and money to just wanting to love the people on Anglesey and to nurture and support families and children. What I've discovered over the most recent years is that he just wants to bring peace to life, to bring order out of chaos. In the last year we've gone from having a really chaotic life to just calming all the going and comings from our house, and we're now able to just share time with each other, be with the children, and just love the world we're in. Faith means trusting in what you don't see. We get like little snippets from God in conversation, in our prayers, and from words from people, and it just builds a bigger picture, builds like a jigsaw. Right at the last minute he'll give you the whole picture and you're like, right, now I see what you're doing. It does take a long time to learn that, to learn to persevere, to learn to be still while he's asking you to wait. It's a learning journey, but when you finally release everything to God, there's such a joy and a peace that you can live with